Hi everybody, Robert here with more Revit training. If you haven't subscribed, like, share this video, please do. It helps support the channel. Okay, we continue on this renovation project, and today we're going to look at the site plan. We're going to create a site plan. So basically, what we have to do is, now what I normally do, I'm going to show you what I do here for this building because it's an existing building. Let's just look at this. I'm going to probably shade this view now. Okay. So now, what we want to work on now is our site. So this is what I do. This place is located in Chicago, South Side. So here I'm going to go into Google Earth, and there it is. This is the building that we are remodeling here. Oh God, you're going to need a new roof. And this is the ground level. Basically, the drawings that we're using. So what we do here is we can take a shot of this. Okay, there it go. There it is. We can take an above image of this, and it's basically not the most best person in Google Earth, but here I want to get this flat, and then we'll pan it down here. So I can take that image, and let's get it straightened off here. Just punch on the little north arrow, I think. Well, I'm not gonna mess with that. So basically, you can take that image right there and create our site plan. So what I normally do is I'll create an image and then I'll bring the image in to Revit. So what I've done here, I'm gonna go here now. We want to go into our site. So in the project browser, you'll see site. So I'm gonna click it, site here. And as you can see, I've already done this. I brought the image in and I traced in some lines. These are just detailed lines so that I can have something to work with. So now the first thing we want to do, we want to go into our site and massing, and you want to select topo surface here. So I'm going to just take this whole area from here to about there. That's the road there, and you want to go to here, maybe one there, there, put one there. Now what we have here are spot elevations. I'm going to do that back. I don't want that many. You can always add, place one there. Okay, then I want to finish this. So now, as you might know, you got elevations here. And if we looked at this in Google Earth again, I think we saw that we had a few inches. Let me see. There's a ground line. Let me get back. Yeah, see if I can see this. Sorry, folks. There we go. I'm gonna give it about 6 inches below grade for the ground, or we can change to anything we like. So here you just finish this, or on our properties here, we can finish this, or we can edit this surface, and then we want to make this -6. Click OK. Same with this one. I think I want to put one on the building as well. You just go -6 inches like that. Now really this site is really flat anyway, so we don't really have to worry too much, but I want to put some dots here. For now, I'm going to leave it at that, and then I'm going to finish it. Okay, so there's our surface. And if I look at this in 3D, you got this is all dirt, and this is basically what we're going to work with here. But now, you want to select this And we want to go in here where it says split surface, so we'll select it and we'll go edit surface. Sorry, wait a second. I'm gonna cancel that. I'm gonna split face. Now, I want to select these lines here with the pick line tool. This is the sidewalk. So you get the idea what I'm doing here. And these all have to be closed. So let's close this one here. Actually should have given a material. Let's close this one here. So these are going to be the streets. So let me go there. And then let's just stand the intersect right here. And finish that. Now, this is going to be two different surfaces, as you can see. So let's take this one and get a material on it. For now, let's make this grass. For right now, anyway. So just key in grass here. Just like any other material we've been dealing with. Okay, what's going on here? Why has it got to think that much? Okay, grass. Come on, where you at, grass? Oh, really? Couldn't find that? Okay, next thing you do is go to your good old project browser. And then you go here, assets. Grass. And let's go with a dark rye. Just the Chicago, just hit that line there. Now you got to be careful from this. You see what it's calling that, and that's not what we're after. So what happens here? I'm going to just cancel this. Oh, I shouldn't have did that. Sorry, folks. So right here, I'm going to go and call this. Should be still there. No, it's not. Okay, so right here, you always want to duplicate. I'm going to create a new material. Okay, so this is going to be our new material right here. So we're going to rename this to grass. Okay, and then we're going to go here into the asset browser and find our grass. And we're going to go with the dark right. So we just push that over there like so. And then we'll go apply here and okay. So if we look at this in our consistent colors, well, let's go in shaded view, or let's go with realistic. So that's kind of realistically what it's going to look like. Now we need to do these other materials. So I'm going to go back into my hidden line for now. And then we want to go and select this. And we're going to make this asphalt. See, we got it in here. I gotta know how to spell, man. I don't think we have this here. Is that how you spell that? Asphalt? Nope. So what I'll do here, go in here and create another material. Shouldn't have to do this every time. I just don't know how to spell. So I'm going to go here and create and duplicate new material. Oh wow, I could just call this anything. Let's go hit the assets browser. Let's call this asphalt. Okay, where is it? We don't necessarily have to use asphalt. We can use concrete. Well, they just put asphalt on that ground over there. Actually, they did. So, I'm just go with concrete for now. Okay. You just go with concrete. But now let's just do concrete, and then I'll have to look for this for time's sake, folks. I think we're going over 10 minutes, and I don't like long videos. So I'm just gonna go with, cast in place concrete for that. Apply, okay, and okay. And then let's go and look at this in our 3D view. And let's look at this realistically. So, now what we got to do now is the sidewalk and all these other site features, and we're developing our site plan. So I'm going to go ahead and do this thing up, knock it right out and see how you do. Remember, these are our elevations. Now another thing we have to do here, we need a building pad. So here you'll select what we need to do now. We remember from our 3D view, we have a basement here, okay? So we need a building pad under the basement. So I'm gonna turn this to consistent colors. Or I'm gonna go to hidden line. And what we do now is basically go to the site, and then we hit building pad. But actually, we want to go to the basement for this, because we want the building pad under the building, okay? So this is what you would do. You would go down your basement. And then here you would go building pad. And then you would select these walls. And extend and intersect this and finish. Okay, so now you have your site plan going. We got to get the materials in here, the correct materials, and the sidewalk. So I'm gonna put the sidewalk. I'm gonna finish this and see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Wow. So I'm gonna get going on this, and thanks for watching. I see you guys in the next video. Let's see what that looks like. Okay, but got a little work to do on that one. But hey guys, thanks for watching. Talk to you in the next video. Please subscribe. Hosey makes videos like this. So I'm gonna finish this, go back and do the site, put the site pictures in, so the next time you see this video it should be all done, and then I'll fix this concrete. So hey guys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe. I'll see you soon. Everybody be safe. Thanks. Bye.